I'm Nurainshara as the programmer designer.
I'm Aira Alicia as prototype designer.
I'm Debbie Felicia as a graphic designer.
I'm Nur Aisa Prina as the project designer.
I'm Nur Amani. I am the team leader of this group.
We are Mastermind.
Creek was more like toxic salad dressing. Oil beads skim the surface, killing 100% of the fish for nearly 4 miles downstream.
Cooking oil is now killing hundreds of fish in a local creek.
Fire destroyed a food distribution facility in Whitlock, Washington.
Our Recycle Bins is an innovative system designed to simplify, automate, and optimize the collection of used cooking oil from households, restaurants, and industrial kitchens. This system can help promote sustainable practices by reducing waste and encouraging recycle, particularly for biodiesel production or other eco-friendly applications. Improper disposal of used cooking oil poses significant environmental, infrastructural, and economic challenges. Many individuals and businesses discard used cooking oil by pouring it into drains and trash bins, leading to problems such as environmental issues as well as water contamination and harm to aquatic ecosystems when UCO reaches water bodies, and the contribution to greenhouse gas emissions when not repurposed for sustainable uses like biodiesel production.
SDG 6. Clean water and sanitation. Prevent water pollution caused by diverting used cooking oil from landfills and wastewater system to biodiesel production and other eco-friendly applications. SDG 9. Industry innovation and infrastructure. Foster innovation in waste management technologies through the development and implementation of automated used cooking oil collection system.
Sensor temperature is to monitor oil temperature, ensuring the collected oil is within a safe temperature. Digital sensor is to detect if the collected oil is full and send a notification to the phone. Solid filter is to filter out food particles such as crumbs and burnt bits.
Based on our analysis, the survey revealed that 45% of respondents dispose of used cooking oil by pouring it in the trash. Furthermore, 85% of respondents have not reused cooking oil for any purposes other than cooking. From the result, we found that many individuals and businesses may lack awareness, resist changing their habits.
Besides, we saw that 90% of respondents would consider recycling used cooking oil if collection service were available. Therefore, with the presence of DC bins, we can encourage people to actively participate and help communities that do not know of any local programs that collect used cooking oil for recycling, and raise awareness of the impact of used cooking oil to the ecosystem.
Our innovation aims to spread awareness, encouraging responsible behavior among households, restaurants, and industry by providing incentives and education.
It can also be an economic opportunity to develop a sustainable business models that supports green jobs and new revenue streams through recycling industries.
Implementing DC bins in environmental sustainability can reduce pollution and mitigate environmental damage caused by improper used cooking oil disposal.
For our recommendation, we will make use of collaborations and partnerships, resulting in building partnerships with municipalities, private waste management companies, and industry is essential for long-term sustainability. Other than that, governments could incentivize participation by offering tax benefits to businesses operating the system. Moreover, utilizing the technology advancements by incorporating AI for road optimizations and predictive maintenance can improve efficiency. Other than that, blockchain technology can ensure transparency in the reselling process, showing users how their contributions are utilized. Last but not least, to operate public-private entities leading to collaboration between governments, NGOs, and private entities can provide funding and ensure broader implementation.
The automated PCO collection systems represents a promising solution to the challenges of waste oil disposal and resource recycling. While there are challenges in adoption, financing, and technological upkeep, the environment, economic, and social benefits far outweigh the obstacles. A well-planned implementation strategy that prioritizes user engagement, technological reliability, and sustainable practices can ensure the system's success and scalability.